Welcome, friends. Well, you heard it. Contact Denver approach. We're descending through 16,700 feet, down for 9,000. Got a speed restriction on this approach. Don't hear that every day. Flying into Broomfield, Jeffco. KBJC, Kilo Bravo, Juliet Charlie. A little slower than we normally would go as we begin passing here, just east-northeast of Denver. The beautiful lights of Denver down there, looking terrific. Let's take a screenshot here. Anyway, hey, I'm a man of my word. I said I was gonna get us to Denver, to Colorado rather, today, and I meant it. But it's late. It's 8:35 here on the West Coast, 9:35 here Mountain Standard Time. And we are looking forward to landing here. We took off from Tulsa, Oklahoma, an hour and 12 minutes and 59 seconds ago. Headed to Colorado as promised. But it's been a long day for me, but I wanted to get to Colorado, and I wanted to be here on Thanksgiving morning in my imaginary life. Weather in Broomfield, Colorado is 29 degrees and mostly cloudy. Winds out of the south-southeast at just 3 miles an hour. Very pleasant. Slow to 230 here as we're 26 miles left on our route. And we'll shallow our descent rate to 1,000 feet per minute. Let's go and get our landing lights on as we close in here very rapidly on Broomfield, Colorado, just west-northwest of Denver. Looking forward to getting on the ground, closing in on the waypoint Paydirt, P-Y-D-R-T. That's a cute name, isn't it? Paydirt. Third flight of the day. A rare night flight for us here. Night flight in real time. Night flight for me. Not just for the sim. Slow to 220. Closing in on our speed restriction. My iPad is just about dead. Down to 8,100 through whiskey.
Descend and maintain 8,100 feet Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
Increase our descent rate 1,200 feet per minute. My iPad and the accompanying ForeFlight app is down to 5%, so we'll see how long it lasts. 20 miles out now, getting ready to make our left turn. So to 210. Show you our approach real quick. Our port elevation here at Broomfield, 5,673 feet, quite high. Making our left turn at Paydirt right now. And then you see here's our approach. I'm going to be at 7,100 feet at half right here. And then 6,700 feet at PYYPP. Total approach is only 7.1 nautical miles. We'll slow to 200. We're going to get ready here for our landing. And again, very much looking forward to it. I had to retreat to my study this evening for reasons that shall remain left unsaid. And I figured, what better way to do it than to commemorate such a purpose, than to fulfill my promise to be in Colorado on Thanksgiving morning in my imaginary life. All right, so 15 miles out now. Battery's down to 3% on the iPad, so we're going to probably lose our ForeFlight app here before we know it, but it's served its purpose. Closing out at 8,100 feet, now just 14 miles out. Slow to 190.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey descend and maintain 7,100 feet.
Down to 7,100 through Whiskey.
Descend and maintain 7,100 feet.
13
Cessna
miles
Tree
out
Bravo
now.
Whiskey.
10,300 feet. Now shallow our descent to 1,000 feet per minute. Airport should be out there. I don't see it though. All I see is the lights of Denver. That might be it. I can't tell. We're closing in though. Oh, battery's down to 1% now. Oh, well that's okay. We know we're 10 miles out. We'll slow to 180. Oh, I'll miss you, ForeFlight. I gotta plug them. My poor iPads.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, you are 900 miles north of Jeffco.
9 miles.
Contact tower on 118.6 when inbound on the approach.
Landing gear.
Let's go ahead and do a notch of
on
flaps.
118.6
With the
Cessna
tower
Tree Bravo
handoff,
Whiskey.
that's good.
Tower Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey 900 miles north inbound RNAV runway 12 left approach.
That looks pretty cool, huh?
Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey Tower. Altimeter tree 0 decimal.
Okay, we're turning final.
172 at 5. Cleared RNAV runway 12 left approach. Cleared RNAV runway 12 left approach Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
Okay, we're clear for the approach. We're going to go ahead and set 165 on our speed as we turn final. I'm going to zoom in here down to 2. And there's the airport. I'm going to set our altitude selector at minimums of 6,100.
Bravo Whiskey wind 172 at 5. Cleared to land runway 12 left.
12 left. Clear to
Runway 12
land.
left, Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
Let's go outside. Gotta be careful not to make assumptions. Another notch of flaps. I think that's our runway right there. I don't know, it seems like we're kind of high, but let's just watch. Set our approach speed 145 because we're up high here. Full flaps. Yeah, that's our runway. 4 miles now. Okay, let's go ahead and disconnect the auto throttle. RNAV's coming up. Autopilot. We're going to hand fly this one. There's the runway. Dead ahead. Full flaps. Got some ice. Picking up some ice. Stand by. Everything's good. Just relax. Perfect.
1 mile final runway 12 left. 500.
All right. Got whites on the Vossies. 1 mile final. Moon looks pretty bitchin' there off to the left, doesn't it? Okay, red and white Vossies looking really good. Spoilers are up, reverser's on. iPad made it. Nice, huh? Welcome to Colorado. That was fantastic. That was just fantastic. All right, friends. Local time, 9:44 p.m. and I am ready for bed. Let's Go ahead and exit left.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey turn, next taxiway. Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, contact ground on 121.7.
All right, friends.
121.7 Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
Oh man, was that great. That was exciting. Oh, I gotta tell you, there's really something to these night approaches just because there's just an element of tension to them that doesn't exist in any other setting. Spoilers are down. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Flaps are retracted. Let's contact ground. And we'll request taxi to parking. Welcome to Colorado.
November 343 Bravo Whiskey taxi to parking.
Cessna November 343 Bravo Whiskey taxi to general aviation parking using taxiway Echo cross runway 3 Alpha.
Let's go outside just to make sure we know,
Taxi
get our
into general
bearings.
aviation parking using taxiway Echo cross runway 3 Alpha Cessna
All right.
3 Bravo Whiskey.
Oh my goodness. All right, friends. Well, our 50-state tour continues. 3 states today. Started our morning in Omaha. If I remember that right. Is that right? Or maybe we started our morning in South Dakota. I can't remember. It's been such a long day. I had a really big run this morning. I got this cool new gadget that I run with called a Stride, S-T-R-Y-D. They're not paying me anything. It's really cool though. It really, if you want to geek out on running data, it is the thing to buy. It provides every conceivable metric you can imagine: vertical oscillation, GCT, ground contact time. You name it. I mean, everything. It's really very cool. But anyway, my point in saying that is I've been up since 4:30 and
Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey.
there's a car.
Collision caution, other traffic.
Yeah, he'll get out of the way. I think he just barely got out of the way. That's funny. Anyway, but I for reasons that'll be left unsaid, I just wanted to get in the sim this evening and fly to Colorado. So I will wake up here on Thanksgiving morning in my imaginary life. All right, friends, let's make the U-turn here that they want us to make. And there's our parking spot. Now that we're on the ground here in Colorado. Oh my God, how I wish I was in this life. All right, friends. I'm going to keep my taxi light on, even though it's a little discourteous to the marshaller, because it helps me identify him. Oh, that moon looks amazing. I love that it's in its correct phase. Make sure we can see him. Come on, dude. All right, friends. Never got the cutoff, but that's all right. All right, parking brake, right engine. Okay, friends, well, that's it. And we are in Colorado now as our 50-state tour continues and is nearing its end. Look at how cool the light looks. Oh my God, you have no idea how much I wish this was real. All right. Well, anyway, friends, let's go ahead and cancel that. Kill the right engine. Did I already kill the... I'm sorry, I can't remember. I can't even remember if I killed the right engine. Okay, friends. And we'll kill our remaining lights and shut everything down. And we'll get ready for bed here. What do you think about that? Okay, let's see. So it's KTUL to KBJC, Tulsa, Oklahoma, to Jeffco, Broomfield, Colorado. 1 hour, 20 minutes, and 18 seconds. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Take care.